Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unfriend inactive friends on Facebook. So in here, I've already on my Facebook app, and here you can just head to your profile first. So click on this your photo on the top right corner, then select your profiles, and after that you can just scroll down and find click on the friends option. So these are my friends, and you can just click on manage to see inactive friends on Facebook. So you can click on manage. After that, here you can just select this list interacted with. So these are my friends on Facebook which are not interact with me a lot. So you can just click on select multiple, and here you can just select the friends that you want to unfriend or unfollow, and after that you can just click on. So apparently you need to do it one by one, so I cannot select multiple, so you can just click on unfriend, click on unfriend again, and you can just repeat the steps on the friends that you want to unfriend. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.